Hi there and welcome to this Dollah.co review. If you are looking at making money online, then the chances are that you might be considering signing up to Dollah.co and you are wondering whether if it's a legit opportunity or should give it a miss. And that's why you are at this video today, and today I'm happy to tell you that I've taken this website for a test drive. So I'm going to show you exactly what is going on here, how it works, and what the earning potential is, so that at the end of this video you can make an informed decision whether this is going to be the right business opportunity for you. And if you like to check out my number one recommendation to making money online, feel free to click on the link that is in the video description below. My name is Rupesh and welcome to Passive Income for All. It's all about helping you to find the best ways to making real money online. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, or if you are brand new to this video, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. So now, let's head over to the Dollah.co website and see what is going on there. Okay, so here we are at the Dollah.co website, and we are in the membership area. It actually looks like there's a lot of things going on, but it's really easy to navigate around the website, and that's the cool part about the Dollah.co website. So here, once you register, by the way, it's free to register, and there's really three things that you can do. You can click on the earn button, and that's where you see all opportunities where you can earn some money, and then you can cash out your money in various different formats. And then there's a leaderboard where you'll see how the other members are doing on the Dollah.co platform. Now, earn money online, earn up to $20 per day, cash out instantly in gift cards, crypto, PayPal, and more. All right, so let's see what sort of opportunities are available within the Dollah.co platform. The first thing you do, you simply click on earn. And there are basically two things that you can really do on this platform. The first one is to do tasks for the offer wall companies, and these are companies like AdGate, OfferToro, Lootably, Monlix, AdGem. So what happens is these companies actually work on behalf of the main company, where they give you tasks to do. And as you can see, you can do surveys. Let's see what else are available. Let's click on the other one, Monlix. Okay, so there's also multi-reward must be done 45 days. First time players only. Okay, so this looks like games. So you also can get to play games, and for completing the games you can be earned, or you get rewarded with coins. So yeah, you can earn about 36,830 coins. We'll get into the payment shortly. So the bottom line is, with offer walls, you have to do tasks like downloading games, or downloading apps, playing games, even completing surveys. And then the second thing that you can do is to work for the survey routers. The survey routers are simply companies that offer you surveys on behalf of the main company. So I just clicked on the first option, which was CPX Research, which is one of the survey routers. And these are the available surveys that you can do. If you have 9 minutes of your time, you can complete a survey, and you can get about 428 coins credited to your account. Let's just see how much more. 16 minutes. For 16 minutes of work, you can get credited 280 coins, and so forth. So you can see the main currency within Dollah.co. Dollah.co is, of course, coins. Okay, now, how much are these coins really worth in terms of dollars? Now, here we are at the leaderboard. I clicked on the leaderboard, and number one is Fabiana Gilbert, and she is the top earner, and she has earned around 36,270 coins, and she's completed 25 offers to earn that amount of coins, and the prize money that she's earned is 10,000. Now, I wasn't too sure how much the 10,000 really was, so I took the liberty of actually posting my question in the message section I have taken a screenshot of it, and they actually taken the time to reply to me and said that 10,000 is equivalent to $10. So for 25 offers, she's earned $10, and that $10 is how much she's earned for the 36,270 coins. So if it goes down all the way where here it's $3, and as you can see, this guy here has done 29 offers, and he's done 29 offers, but he's only earned $3, whereas the person who's on the top leaderboard has done less but earned more. So it really does depend on the offers that you do. But as you can see, for the top leaderboard, the most that has been earned is, of course, $10. Now, what happens if you want to cash out? Let me show you that next. So here I am in the cash out section. Now, they say here, use your coins earned on Dollah to withdraw PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa, Amazon, and much more. So at this point in time, the gift cards, the PayPal functionality, and the Visas are still coming soon, and so are the opportunities to withdraw in terms of skins for games. The only way in which you can withdraw, though, is via cryptocurrency. And what are the limits if you want to withdraw? If you want to withdraw in Litecoin, you're going to need a minimum of 500 coins. So in other words, those 500 coins will be equivalent to 50 cents, right? If you want to withdraw Dogecoin, you need to have a minimum of 1,500 coins, which is equivalent to $1.50. And then if you want to withdraw Bitcoin, then that's the highest, because there you have to reach 5,000 coins, which is equivalent to $5. People actually happy with using Dollah.co. So here we are at JumpStarter.com. This is a third-party review site, and they scored a 4.0 out of 5 stars with a total of about 32 reviews. Of that, 66% said that the services from Dollah was excellent. So here's the first comment, which was 2 days ago. I'm banned. Why? Please give me email. Okay, our system automatically detects for fraudulent activity and blocks users who trigger it. Why any offer wall is not opening? Why every time I create an account it doesn't open any offer wall? I also try not to message in the support chat or live chat. Hi Shanawaz, the reason for you not seeing any offer walls or being able to communicate is due to duplicate accounts, which is against our terms and conditions. Okay, so as you can see here, that the negative complaints that are posted on Trustpilot.com has been addressed by the management of Dollah.co. So that's a good sign. Even here, Dollah.co took the time to reply and actually give some input as to why things are not going their way. So that is the good part. There are a lot of people that are happy with Dollah.co. So is Dollah.co a scam, or is it a legit site? Okay, I just want to quickly talk about some of the pros and cons of Dollah.co. The pros, of course, is that it's free to sign up to. As you have seen, it's very easy to do. All you have to do is either complete tasks or answer surveys. So the tasks are simple to do. There is an online forum. I tested out the support myself, and I can tell you that the support is also very good. And of course, there's a lot of positive testimonials. Now let's talk about some of the cons of Dollah.co. The earning potential is extremely low. As you have seen, that the person who has made the leaderboard has only earned $10, and that's for doing almost 30 tasks, and there's no telling on how long it must have taken him or her to get to that point. So you have to put in a great degree of effort, and you have to put a lot of your time just to earn a few bucks. So that's the downfall about these sort of get paid to websites. And not only is the earning potential low, but there's no guarantee of jobs. So as you have seen in the comments, that one person couldn't find anything that in their off the wall section. That's because it depends on the area that you are staying in. So there's no guarantee that you will get specific survey jobs or off the walls. You're just going to have to wait and see whatever comes your way. And then the last thing is that it's not a passive income earning opportunity. You're not going to be able to sit and do one task and then earn from it over and over again. You have to be constantly active in order to earn income. Is dollar.co a scam? Look, I don't think it's a scam site, but if you ask me, is it the right website for you, then I can tell you it really does depend on what you are looking for. If you are looking for something where you can just pass time and earn a couple of spending money here and there, then I think dollar.co will do the job, because the money that you're going to be earning from this website is not going to be life-changing money. You're not going to be able to quit your job or pay the rent or put a deposit down for a car, because the earning potential is really low. So if you are looking at something to earn a substantial amount of income or a stable income, or if you're even looking for something where you can build something where you can earn a passive income, then dollar.co is not the option for you. They're not going to teach you any business skills, business building skills for you to go further in your journey. For that, there are better alternatives, and this now concludes my review of dollar.co. Before I leave you, I just like to place into your mind the thought that if you want to start building your very own online business, then feel free to check out my number one recommendation just by clicking on the link that is in the video description below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below and I will get back to them. And it was awesome to talk to you today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that we can chat in my next video. I wish you everything of the best in your online success. Goodbye.